English Step by Step, how to use a and the, Step 10. In this video I'm going to talk about expressions in English in which we don't use an article. Make sure you watch the other videos in this series with more examples, explanations and practice exercises. There are many expressions in English with no article. For example, she studied at university for 4 years. Now, university is an institution. So here, we're not talking about a particular building or a particular place. We're talking about the place where you study, the institution where you can study. So we don't need an article. Next one, after work, I went home. Work has no article. Home has no article. These are fixed expressions in English. Next one. They go to church on Sundays. Now here, we're not talking about one particular specific church. We're talking about a place where they always go because of their religion. Next one. He travels to school by bus. Now, if we're talking about transport like bus, train, car, taxi, we don't generally use an article. So, I'm going to give you a practice exercise where you can fill in gaps to practice these expressions. So here we have the practice exercise, 12 sentences. Fill in the gaps using the words on the right. For these sentences, you don't need an article. So I'll put the exercise on the screen for 1 minute. You can pause the video if you need more time, and you can move on to the next video, video 11, in which I'll talk through the answers.